I wanted to show you this book I just got, The Bees, Birds, and Butterflies Sticker Anthology. Excuse the glare, I decided to try it with the flash so that it wouldn't be too dark. It's starting to be the end of day here. Now, I'll hold that up so you can read it if you like. Just give it a pause. Just so you know, both of these pages are also sticker pages, so you can cut those out if you want. They're not pre-cut like most of the other stickers are, but if you wanted to use that quote, or if you wanted to cut around it and use just the frame part on a page, you could do that. I mean, you don't need me to give you suggestions, but I'm just giving them to myself. Birds. 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 And by the way, I am turning 2 pages at the time because every other page looks like this. So I'm trying to skip those. This is one big sticker, just so you know. And you could either use the frame part or the big sticker part. And this is the same. Oops. There you go. Some of these are really nice birds. I tried to do a look first time video and I was interrupted in the middle of it with video game music. That's the kind of thing that happens when you share abode with others. But I really wanted you to see this, so I decided to just do it again because I don't know how to do the editing stuff. So this is a, what do they call it? One shot. Really love these birds. So pretty. Some of them have some really terrific colors. And I like, look, 2 on a limb, flying birds. Just any kind of bird picture you want to add. And it does, I mean, everybody doesn't do journaling. Some people just want to do it on a card or just some kind of art thing. Look, you could put any bird you want in the middle of that frame. That's so cool. Or, I mean, you don't even have to do a bird. But anyway, any kind of art you want to do with stickers. All of these stickers are great. Owls. That one's so pretty. I really like the color of that. I like it when the bird itself has lots of different colors too. And the ones that have fancy crowns, I know that's not what you call them, but that's what it looks like to me. I mean, that just makes them look regal, doesn't it? I am a fancy bird. Adore me. Okay, we will. Look at those owls. Pretty. I like green. Green and blue. Oh, that's nice too. Really, I wish they had labels so you'd know what kind of birds they were. But I'm sure if you looked for those birds on with your Google, you could probably find out what each one of them was called. Okay, here comes the bees, y'all. Bees! Bzz. Some of them are very, like they might have gotten inspiration for the in the movies for those from those. Some of these are kind of ominous looking. the bigger the sticker, it makes you wonder, is it really that big in real life? And I love these, the letter ones, but I especially like the feathers. It just gives you all kinds of ideas of how you can use them. And these, all of these bees accompany some kind of flower. It seemed like most of the bees have some kind of flower on the page too. It's nice. I really like those kinds of flowers. Pretty. Another full page sticker. I'm not sure how I would use a full page sticker, because I mean, I wouldn't have any room left to write stuff unless I stuck a sticky note on top of it. But if that's not what you're doing with it, you probably have your own ideas about what you could use it for. Here comes the butterflies. I really love the butterflies too. Pretty. So nice. There's some really good letters too. Look at that butterfly frame. So cool. Caterpillars. Bonus. You thought you were just going to get butterflies, didn't you? Oh no, you're going to get butterfly from the beginning. That one's very colorful. Some more caterpillars. Really pretty butterflies. That yellow is nice. I don't usually like yellow, but for some reason that one just grabs my attention. More feathers. Feathers. And more. Look at that. I wonder if that's real. Do butterflies really have two different colors of wings? Huh. Nice. Ooh, pretty green. That one's kind of Aztec-y looking. That looks like eyes. If you zoomed way in, you could ask people, what kind of creature is this? And then you zoom out. Aha, I fooled you. It's a butterfly. Pretty. Pretty. Ah, so cool. Look at the veins. That's so nice. More birds, butterflies, and bees on the same page. So nice. Look at the long tails. Flamingos. Oh, wow, the pretty pink bird. Look at that. That's nice too. Sorry, I'm trying not to get the glare, but I'm trying to also lift it up so you don't get a distorted size, because it's kind of going that way. The camera's not directly over it. I have a setup like that, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to put up, so sorry. Maybe next time if I get another book like this. Oh, that is the last one. Well, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. I hope my narration, if you can call it that, was not too annoying. Although, I will say, of course, now it's the end of the video. I should have said it in a disclaimer at the beginning. You're welcome to mute because there's no music. So, if you just want to look and not listen, it will not hurt my feelings, because unless you make a comment as such, I won't even know it. So pretty. Sorry, I'm going back through because I just really like looking at them. There. Wow. Okay. And this time, I'm not going to look at the bees. I'm just going to look at the flowers. Because those flowers are stickers too. You can use those. There's not nearly as many bee pages as butterflies and birds. I think this is my favorite, and not because it's owls, but because of the beautiful colors. Trying to make sure the whole page gets in the frame. That I can do. Editing after the fact, not so much. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow. I wonder if it's hard for that bird might not be a flying bird, because that is a lot to carry around. It doesn't really look very aerodynamic, does it? I'm just assuming that all of these are actual real birds from nature, and that if you tried to look for them, you might find them. I mean, you know, people can really draw some amazing things that are not in the least bit real, but all of this looks like it's real. Wow. I'm always scared when I see birds with legs that skinny. I'm afraid they're too... I mean, that's even skinnier than a horse's legs. I always think horses' legs are really skinny. But how do they walk around on sticks? Seriously. I wonder if that was the inspiration for those stick things that guys walk around on, you know, so the extra long stilts. I wonder if tall birds were the inspiration for those. We get a lot of inspiration for things from nature, don't we? Cool. Nope, the owl page is still better. I just like all the colors on it. Let me go look for it one more time. So nice. Okay, I'm gonna find the owl page. That one's good. There it is. That's my favorite page. So pretty. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and have a good day. Bye.